In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a resume on Overleaf. So the first step is to go to your account and then you can create a new project. Now, if you want, you can click on Browse Templates to see different templates that you can use. So as you can see, we have CVs and resumes. So we can simply click on these and choose one of the available ones. So we can click this, then click on Open as Template, and then from here we can start editing. So as you can see, this one is using a coding language basically. So you just have to start editing it, or if you want, you can add new lines of code. Now you can also go to Visual Editor. So as you can see here, we have the visual code, and basically after that we're gonna have to simply download this as PDF, and we can share it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.